Good morning, students. Take out your English reader book. Today we will read lesson 12, The Crow's Nest. The Crow's Nest. First of all, we will read new words in the box. Fight, fight, fight. Cunning, cunning, cunning. Holidays, holidays. Rock, rock. Voice, voice. Reach, reach. Okay. Now we will read lesson. Kalu the crow. Kalu is the name of the crow. Okay. Lives in a nest. Kalu the crow. Whose name is Kalu? Crow's name. Yes. It is growing hot. So he goes for a holiday to another tree. This is very hot. So he goes to the another tree. There is a river. And near the river it is cold. It is cold, not very hot. Okay. A river flows near the tree. This is the tree and this is the river. Kalu rows a boat in the river. This is a boat and Kalu is rowing the boat. Okay. He likes to work in the garden and he makes a garden there. He sows seeds there. He sows seeds in the garden. He mows the grass. Mows means to cut the grass. To cut. Okay. He mows the grass. He has a good time for 5 days. He goes back to his nest. But there is a green parrot with a red bow in his nest. Yes, you can see in the picture. It was crow's nest. And crow goes for a holiday. When he comes back, he sees there is a parrot in the nest. A parrot comes there and he sits in the nest. This is my nest, says Kalu. Kalu says to parrot, this is my nest. But now I live in this nest, says the parrot. Parrot says, now I live in this nest. So this is my nest now. The crow gives a blow to the parrot. Blow means to give a punch. To give a punch to the parrot. The parrot also gives a blow to the crow. And then parrot also gives a blow to the crow. There is a big fight. Now they start fighting. Parrot and crow both are fighting. All the animals come to see the fight. Now there are so many animals in the jungle. So all the animals come to see the fight. The fox says, go to the king. Who is the king of the jungle? Lion. Lion is the king of the jungle. He is sitting under the big rock. This is a big rock. They say he is sitting, the king is sitting under the rock. Go there. He knows what to do. The two birds Because fox is very clever. Fox wants to eat them. So he speaks lie. He speaks like their king is sitting under the rock. You go there. But there was not king. There was no king. Now read next. The two birds go to the big rock. Now parrot and crow go to the big rock. The eyes of the cunning fox. Cunning means clever. Clever. Fox glow. Now eyes of the cunning fox glow. He thinks, I will eat them, but I must go slow or they will fly away. She goes near the rock and she sits there and thinks, when they will come here, I will eat them. When the birds reach the rock, they hear a voice saying, come here and tell me your story. Since it is very dark under the rock. What is dark? Dark means andhera. है ना? Andhera. There was dark under the rock. The birds are not able to see the king. The birds are not able to see the king. They could not see the king who is sitting there. There is a lion or a fox. As soon as the birds go near, the fox jumps on them. He kills and eats them. When the two birds reach near the rock, the cat jumps on them and holds them, and she kills them and eats them. So we should not fight. If we fight, then someone other takes the benefit of our fighting. Okay? Now you will read this lesson very well, very carefully. Okay? And you will see the pictures. Then you will learn the lesson very easily. And you will give the answers of questions also. Okay? If you will read the lesson perfectly. Okay? Thank you.